Hi there, it's Lachlan Kalish here from the Division of Learning and Teaching, and we're going to watch a small clip now on how to take content from Panopto, CSU Replay, that has been recorded and is sitting inside your CSU Replay folder, and get it inside your learning spaces. So inside your content areas in our learning management system, Blackboard, or I2 as we refer to it. So before I can start working directly inside content areas in I2, I need to look at the specific video that I want to embed. Right, so I've recorded using the create button, for example, or perhaps I've uploaded media, so I've got video or audio sitting inside my CSU Replay folder. And at the moment, if it's not hidden, students would be able to come in here and watch these. But what I want to do is embed these so they sit in a media player inside the learning materials. So for that to happen, I click on the share button next to the particular video that I want to have embedded. It's going to open up part of the settings pane, particularly the share settings. Directly up the top we've got two options. One of them is the link, which is a hyperlink which would open the video in a new browser tab separately. Or if I click on embed, it will actually give me what I'm looking for down here is the embed code that I can use in the subject site. So this is one way to embed content into the subject site. So I'm going to copy that code. Tells me that it's been copied. If I now go to my content area, I'm going to build a new content item in I2. So we'll call this Embedding Panopto 1 with the embed code. So if I now click inside that area, right, cursor's flashing there, here's my toolbar. 2/3 of the way along, down the bottom, I've got this source code button. So if I click on that, this is where if you know anything about coding at all, you would be going in and adding your own script. We don't necessarily need to know anything about it, we just need to have copied that embed code. So I'm now going to paste that in here, so Control V, paste that code, hit save. It's now giving me a preview of what that looks like. But if I submit this and save it, here we have my video sitting ready, embedded inside, in theory, learning materials. Content items inside Interact 2. Students can then click on this to play the video, and it will load. Or they can also click on the download button underneath. So that's embedding with the embed code. I'm now going to show you a separate function for embedding Panopto videos. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to build another content item, and I'll call this Embedding Panopto 2, which is what used to be called the mashup tool. Okay, so inside the content item toolset, on the far right hand side, in the second row, there's a plus button. Now previously in Blackboard this used to be called the mashup tool. Now we have a plus button at the end. If I hit the plus button, it's got lots of different options. If I wanted to directly insert files, for example, either from my device or from the content collection, some other tools that it's got integration with like Flickr or SlideShare or YouTube, but it is integrated with Panopto. And the one I'm particularly interested in here is Panopto Video. If I click on that, it's going to open up my Panopto libraries. So if I make sure that I'm in the right subject site, so start here with the drop down folders and make sure I'm in the right place, and then I can go through the list and access all of those recordings from here. So I want this one to be embedded. If I click insert, and I get exactly the same result. So if I submit now, scroll down, I've embedded the same video, exactly the same thing into the site, but this time around I didn't need any embed code. I simply was able to use that mashup tool, the plus button, to drop the video straight into the site. And again, they can play it, they can download it, they can full screen it, or they can open it in a new browser tab if they wanted to. So embedding content directly into Blackboard into subject sites is very, very easy with Panopto, and you've got two ways of doing it, either using the embed code or using the mashup tool that's integrated into your content editor. So I hope that's useful to you. Thank you.